Patrick Aton. Okay, there's that pattern. Big open lane. Okay. All right, MotoStars, thank you for sending this in. You know, we're checking up on our rookies, making sure they're not doing anything dumb. Let's get back into it. Going a little bit too fast. No, we're doing good. Doing good. Watch out for this person merging in front of us. Accelerate. Get out of there. Was that a pedestrian? We almost hit a pedestrian. Okay, he was on the sidewalk. Very good. So we found an escape path on that shoulder. We're getting back in because we can't stay there too long. So wrong lane driver. Okay, so we have an uncommon thing in a common situation. We're going 60-something miles an hour. This is the crest of the hill. Can't see over the hill. Can't see, can't see, can't see. Now we can. Now uncommon thing in a common situation. Move over. Plan your ride a little bit better here. Did good. He moved over, so he did plan his ride. All right, position for safety.
How close the driver in the back is moving, additionally testing the rider's patience.
Okay. Okay, Javha 415. So nighttime turn, here we go. Okay, we got lights right behind us. You see how it's encompassing our whole front. So we have a vehicle behind us. And that's what he sees. That person's right on us. You see how like there's so much light in front of us, and then we have the shadows super close. So that person's an idiot. That person should not be doing what they're supposed to be, or they're not doing what they're supposed to be doing. And I wouldn't punch a mirror, but it cost him quite a bit to replace it. So, just saying, that was a really dumb thing for that person. Probably drunk.
What's your problem? What did I do?
Of course, they always have a problem.
What did I do? I got you on camera.
Gabriel Schaus just joined the Academy. Make sure you guys join the Academy. It's only $4.99 a month. And you get the Smart Rider Basic Training e-course and our ebook for that price. Okay. So dogs. I'm not going to watch anything where dogs get hurt, so let's move on. You're telling me the dog's keeping up with you at 45 miles an hour? Or 45 kilometers at least? Jeez. All right, so we're lane filtering. Oh, there's that thing. There's the pattern. Big open lane right here. That person wanted to go in here. So we downshifted. Now we're going to check our pants on the next stop. So A, B. No gear. Oh, shit. Whoa. Ay. Just wanted to watch it again. And of course he's going to walk away, you know, which I hope so, but all right. So Honda Rebel 500's phone fell off. We have a light right here. Remember Orange Stage, that was a left turner, did a good job with the brake pressure, progressive brake pressure, and moved on with their day. Okay, very good, very good. Leon Schmiz, hey, uncommon thing. You got a police officer coming around, overtaking in a blind corner. Not very smart. Police officers are human. So Kermit Muppet Lord, here we go. Going through at nighttime. Okay, so nighttime, we have multiple types of hazards. We have a side of the vehicle right there. Remember, if you see that headlight and then that rear tail light like this instead of just headlights, that means it's the side of the vehicle. So Yamaha R7 crash on the track. Hey! YCRS Champ School. Okay, so this is the area you want to crash in because they do have medical. They do have people on site for that. And it's look at the runoff. So if you do crash, you're going into the dirt. You're not going into the side of the mountain or a bridge. So low side, let's see how far he goes. He's got full gear. They require full gear to even get on the track. Big open lane, and you don't have any cars behind you running you over. So did good. This is all they can do. Wearing full gear. It sucks. Lots of room to slide.
I'm okay.
And then you got a Champ School instructor right there, just riding around, making sure people are okay.
Yeah.
Anybody here taking a Champ School?
Oh, yeah.
I know one only has. Here we go, Patrick Atone. Going, hey, intersection. We got Orange Stage coming up. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and make a right-hand turn on the paint. Okay, we're fine. Okay, no loss of traction. We're gonna get on the interstate. That person was slowing down, so in the middle of the turn, he got freaked out a little bit and applied the brakes. He applied the brakes a little bit too hard and lost a little traction, made him have a little pucker factor. Okay. Ibrahim Osman. All right, so we got the tram tracks right here. A little freaky. Go over them. Okay, good job. Now we got somebody right there. Good job finding that escape path. I was 70. I was going 80. He claims it was 50. No, I can't read that. He's mad at each other. Did a good job with the brake pressure. Didn't fall down. Didn't crash. It's okay. It's okay. Is this all just yelling? Because I'm going to skip it. Alright, I'm skipping it. Alright, thank you, MotoStars, for the video. We're going to double check and make sure all our rookies are doing what they're supposed to be doing.